excess number 3 off. I'm gonna go into number 4 again. You're gonna do what you're gonna do and repeat it again. You're gonna do it 6, pick up enough of number 4, and you're gonna just floating on to the into the top of the nails and let's go. Do not go back and forth like when we're doing a gel, like back and forth. And oh, here's a little bit thick and here's a little bit thin. Then you're gonna start getting all of your number 3 on the nail surface, contaminating with your number 4. That's why your number 4 is on the bottle always get freezing, and then your brush always get hardened. So you make sure that avoiding it. So now let's go to the second coat. When you start seeing it from really shiny to the matte look, that's how you gonna do it the second coat on the number 4. And just let the clients sit for about 5 minutes and the nail is completely done. No need air drying or anything. Well, I mean fan drying or anything at all. So this is so beautiful. It's had a lot going on ombre on this one. So again, you can do ombre on the free edges. You can do it ombre on the cuticles. And I am going to use this one to do it liquid and powder, is crystal placement. So with the dipping with liquid and powder acrylics, you do not have necessity to doing a base coat of gels. But also, however, with the dipping powder, you do require the gel, the base gels, and cure it for 15 seconds before you do a glue gel, or else it's gonna peel off. So we're gonna put the base like a 15 second. Let me get the base. Any base coat is, and then you have to should cure it under the LED light for a certain like 10-15 seconds, depend on the manufacturers of that base. I'm using the base coat and then pop in the lamp for about 15 seconds, okay? You can do a lot of design with a dipping powder, so do not afraid that you can't do anything with that. And I am going to some crystal. Oh, I like that. Okay, great. Oh, I like that. Let me get some chain. Do you have chains here? I am going to do this. Mardi Gras. So thrilled. Okay. Can I get another tray, please? So I come up with some cool things for all of you right here and right now. All right, I think I'm good. I am going to use the condensed glue gel in front of me. If you are like tired of getting your crystal coming off and you couldn't get successful and applying the crystal placement, and your clients love to wear it but they can't have it done, and you could lose like $10-15 of each time with the clients want to have a crystal placement on. So here's the thing, you want to try this guide out. Condensed glue gel. Really thick density, and will hold your crystal charm chains up to 3 weeks. 6 weeks, I have a client going 6 weeks. My twin tip brush. I draw the lips with the clients today. If you're seeing it earlier, if you miss it, you can view my live video. It will last good to, I believe it's 24 hours, I think. So let me get some of this. first. I'm gonna give a little bit more because I'm gonna put the chain, the big chain. I have a big chain. I'm going to do, and then my big skull right there is for voodoo, whatever you here. Let me put this one on the side. I'll show it off later. Just clean this one. All right, I'm using a no wipe top coat. If you're asking me that, like one item to have to get, check out the Trifecta. Power of. I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat and floating on the top of condensed glue gel. Earlier, I got really nice, really good question. I like that question. Like if your no wipe top coat's gonna be like contaminating with your condensed glue gel, absolutely no. If we using a floating technique, it will happen when you just stir it up, like you up and like go back and forth. That will make it happen. But if just really be careful with that, and floating on the top, it doesn't do anything for you at all. So I'm gonna using my big one. This one is a big one. I might need to cut it off. I want to cut it off. Can I get the cuts to cut it off? I have a clipper to cut it off. Right there. So if I lace on the top, it should be fine. Yes, if you're just like floating on the top of it. In the drawer. Using my crystal clipper and cut the chain. There you go. It's like great. And later I'm probably gonna have to put the top again, but it's okay because it's a charm, so it doesn't. If you don't want to put the top coat over the top of your crystal, because that gonna ruining the cut and the sparkle and the shines of your crystal, I would not. Gonna take a chance. She's super cute, funny, like she's Korean. She has little bows in it. Perfect for Mardi Gras. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Just one more. I just saw her right here. If you want to get some beads, you can. But furtherly, I love this. This will be a good. Maybe one more. Thank you so much, Pretty Nuna. This is great for Mardi Gras. I love it. Let me get some cute crystals on it. Can I get my crystal collection there? You like it, Nuna? Let's try to say in the theme. Next video, I like to do this. My queen bee. Queen bee. Purple. Let me put the queen bee here. I shouldn't put a queen bee hair. It's gonna be for like Gucci nails. Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. No, this one. Glow in the dark. I'm getting it right. Let me see. I love the cute charms and stuff. As you can see that what I'm doing is hella. I have a whole many of this here. I collect them all. And even this cute doorknob that I did for your last video is so cute. I get my little cute purple here. It's okay. Just little guys right there. I just want a little hint of a purple. That's all I want. I don't want too much. If you want more, you can do more, and you're more than welcome to do more, because the more you dress, it looks so good. And with and this one, I want a green on that. Can I get my green?
Glow.
Yeah, glow in the dark. Oh, they are so cute. Can't see it. It's like a little bit far away from me, from my distance, that I can't see it. But hey, it's your nails that I got to share with you is all it matter. All right, I'll let her get one cue, maybe two crystal. And yes. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna do something for her. Can we put her eyes? Oh, my bead drop.